Hi everyone, and welcome to the course Appium, the Big Picture. My name is Marcel de Vries and I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Xperit in the Netherlands. In this short course I will give you an overview on what Appium is and how you can use this technology to automate your UI tests. I will start by sketching the new modern way of software development and where you can apply UI test automation to speed up your delivery. I will let you see why there's no place anymore for manual testing in modern application development and why we need to look for better alternatives. After showing you where you can apply UI test automation in your test strategy, I will then give you some insights on why Appium might be the technology you want to use for the job. I will finish this course by showing you how Appium enables us to write tests in a program language you like, using a test framework you want, and it provides you a common set of primitives to use to test your applications on various operating systems using the exact same coding concepts. I finish with a short demo where I test a simple application that runs on Windows, iOS and Android and uses the same programming techniques regardless of the platform the application runs on. After finishing this course, you are able to position UI test automation and Appium technology in your test strategy, and you have a starting point to learn more about the details of becoming a UI test automation engineer with Appium technology. I will provide you the pointers at the end of the course where you can go to watch follow-up courses to deepen your knowledge and become a real Appium test automation engineer. I hope you will join me on this UI test automation learning journey with the course Appium, the Big Picture, here at Pluralsight.